Green.
How old are you, Deandra?
16.
Okay, as a 16-year-old, why are you out here supporting the Labour Party? Based on your knowledge, why are you out here supporting? You're not ready to vote, but you're still here.
Yeah, cause it's fun. Yeah, and it's fun and.
No love now show up badness a chop. New recruiter try fi broke him nut. Can't get squawk so him gets the shot and but him wing pipe and cut out him boy. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Bless you, love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Make up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV. Anywhere in there, I know love and blessings and guidance and protection. So, I say, yeah, man, life are the greatest gift. Cherish each and every moment. Every day on earth is valuable. Don't forget to pray to the Almighty Yahshua. You know what I mean? Yes, man, in this episode, I work my day, you know. I don't know. Happy birthday, White Shadow. Big up yourself, White Shadow. Happy birthday. I wish you long life, blessings, prosperity. Yes, man, guidance and protection. So, people, put a happy birthday in the comment section there for White Shadow. There, you see me? Good friend of mine. Yeah. You know? Yeah, man. Support me big in the music thing. You see me, I say? Do also do some road work for me at times. Anyway. Big yourself, White Shadow. In this episode, we have two young ladies. The election is coming up. Over them say the 3rd of September. Yes, the election right now. People are hot up all over the place, excited. Yes, I say, elated. You see it? Young and old. All sorts of things are going. AI, everything. So these two little young females were asked a question and they couldn't even present themselves properly. They couldn't hear what going on. And I want to send condolences to the young youth, look 5-year-old youth, you know, where lost his life in a day, you don't know, the attack. Brutal attack of going on mobile, you see me? Yeah, when I first brought it on my platform, he was battling, but he succumbed, never made it, you know. 5-year-old, bullet in the head, very hard to sustain, you know. Gruesome. I haven't seen the video, but based on the description, what I've heard from several people on the social media and knowing that it's a 5-year-old, boy, sad. So my sincere condolences to the mother and now the child. The police, who's the father, he is still inside hospital, you know, trying to nursing and trying to recover from his wounds. Yeah, man, so it's sad, man. I know the person them will carry out that act, how them feel inside now. To know that, you know, they've taken, well, obviously they don't want to take out the mother because based on what was said, she was attacked from behind. Maybe them never know said the child was in the car. Them just a fire shot. I don't know the man them when my bus shot them don't really care. Our dog and puss get shot. You see what I say? I take bad things and laugh. It's like I'm saying one of my songs, you know, nobody not safe, not even the pussy or the dog. Why really I go on the island? Yeah, so maybe them never know say the child in the car. Them just think of the woman and the man. You know, and unfortunately the child was in the car and boy. Anyway, you take it, it's sad and it's wrong and Jamaica style. I tell you, it's contract, knockings and clappings and the alleged lady where them say set it up. I wonder how she feel inside now. Apparently them say she's on the run. Wonder how she feel inside. Only if she did think twice and think before she allegedly make her, you know, demands. You see it? And boy, may I tell you, why we can't live with good man and talk over things, man? Jaja God, man. Why we can't think over before we act and talk over things. Everybody want to be the bigger person, the better person, you know? Everybody just, well, most people just quick for be vile and volatile, you know? Illiterate, angry, hot-headed, and not think. And then when things happen now, some of us come back in our shells, start begging for apology, crying for mercy, begging for, you know? Ah, boy, sad, man. But yeah, so you go. Another day upon earth, you know? I have give thanks to Lifestyle. I know them man, them person, they know them on the run. Then if it's to feel them life done, because somehow the police are going to catch up on them. You know? Yeah, but it's sad, man. Condolences again to the families, you know? You know, me and the man of peace, see there. Never left the badge. I went out join the lodge. Is it? I want to work with them, man. But anyway, politics I come, election I come, my voice. One song, you know? Name PMP and JLP, I'm going to put it out, dash it out, and you see me? See the feedback we're going to get off it still, but watch them two young sisters in here.
Green. How old are you, Deandra?
16.
Okay, as a 16-year-old, why are you out here supporting the Labour Party? Based on your knowledge of what the party has done, why are you drawn to this party and not the other party?
Because JLP has done much for us.
Why are you out here supporting? You're not
Cause
ready
it,
to vote, but you're still here.
yeah, cause it's fun. Yeah, and it's fun, and you know what? I don't even know what to say, but it's fun. You know, it's fun.
The Labour Party.
Yeah, it's fun.
And you alone just
Yeah.
make you feel like
Yeah.
you ask somebody where for talk to.
Yeah, you know, yeah, them way there.
Bless you, love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Big up on yourself. Welcome to Lion Foot TV. Jano Star. It's sad, you know. These two look young, beautiful little young girls, age of 16, 15 possibly, you know, dwelling in politics. Where do I get out of politics? They look how we come up money. As I get it said, done or they look 20 grand or 10 grand. If they can get so much, you know. And this is not a PMP JLP debate. This is just our native Jamaica, speaking on behalf of our native Jamaicans, you know. Them couldn't represent themselves. They have to wonder if they're still in a school or where they learn at school. Or if they, you know, they can't put together a proper sentence. Jaja God. Well, let me know what you think about that, my viewers and subscribers. As you may say, let me know what you think about that. You know, election are forward. Vote if you know vote, and vote peacefully. You know what I mean? We don't want to hear no shooting, no going on, no war and fighting. You see me? We don't want to hear that, none of that at all. None at all. None at all. You see me? You know, the man of peace. I always say take the violence off the streets. Live in love, unity and strength. You see me I say? Life are the greatest gift. Cherish each and every moment. And maybe going to please like the content and share it, man. Like the content and share it. Now watch out now, hit the like button. The more you hit the like button, YouTube say, yeah, you know, and put it in the feed so other people can see it. And people need to hear that message. I say, so please share the content and hit the like button. And if you are going to subscribe, make sure you hit the bell. So me I say, blessed love. I'm the man of peace. I'm out. Not another word of time, I'm out.